Hi. My question for you is this. I like to exercise, but I usually walk around the block and do that. But we have a lot of bad weather where I live, so I end up inside on the treadmill. But the treadmill's really boring.
Yeah.
So what I'm looking for is some suggestions from you to make it so I want to go on the treadmill.
So you're in kind of a rut.
Yes, I am. On the
Yeah, I
treadmill.
get it.
Yes.
Being on a treadmill, you kind of feel like a hamster in a wheel sometimes, right? I actually put a workout in my book, The Super Carb Diet, about just that type of workout. Basically, I want you to just like get on that treadmill and play with the incline. So it's like every minute or so, you're bringing the incline up. So you're having to really keep your mind with what you're doing. So it makes it a little bit less monotonous. You're not just at the same speed on the same incline the whole time. You play around with it. A long time ago, I always used to tell people not to watch TV or listen to music. Crazy, right?
I could never, ever work out without music.
I want you to be like, I wanted, past tense, you to be really like dialed into how you were feeling and what was going on. Now I'm like this. If you just need to watch an episode of Billions or whatever and get through it, do it.